Hi guys, welcome back again to another cooking tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my Leone jollof rice. Miss own salon jollof rice. This is my own way. Oh, this is my own way. So it look good. Oh, it looks so good. They make me crave them. Anyway, for start, I can show now everything I don't get prepared for this yellow jollof. Inside this blender, I get me pepper, me bell pepper, me yabas, and me hot pepper. And here I have my tomato paste, the rest of the tomato paste I left from cooking the stew. And I have my three onga that I'll be using. And I have here my chicken bouillon, the tomato brand. And I'm going to be using that. You can use any type of seasonings you want. It's up to you. These are my own favorite seasoning. And in here I have 10 cups of rice I'm going to be making. Yeah. So and I have my Baileys here too. You need Baileys to use it. If you don't want to, then you're not making Sierra jollof or any jollof for that matter. So in here I have the rest of the stew that I have left from cooking the stew. So I like to do this because I want my jollof to have the same flavor as my fried stew. So I like to do this way. It's better this way. You can do any way that you feel good or safe or comfortable. You can do any other way, but this is my way of making it. The first thing, I'm going to let my Baileys fried up with the stew, the rest of the stew I left in the pot, and we're gonna start making the jollof. It's already in the process anyway, so. And then next we're gonna put like 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I use all of the tomato paste that was in that cup, so the rest of it actually. So don't go use the whole can and say Sento asked me to do this. And just mix it up so you can fry it up a little bit before we come put our mixture of our blended mixture, which is yeah, which is the tomato, pepper, the onions together, and we're gonna put like 5 cups of water in there, and I put some um chicken stock in there. The chicken that I used to boil and I season it up. That's the water that I use, the chicken stock. So now I'm adding more water and then we're gonna leave it to boil. We're gonna leave it to boil to come to a boil and yeah, then you start your jollof. Now is the best time for you to put all your seasoning inside. I'm putting all my favorite seasoning, my onga, my all-purpose seasoning, and my tomato brand chicken bouillon. I'm putting everything in there now so it can just boil up all together. Especially if you're going to be using some jumbo or onga, you want it to boil with it so people will not see the maggi when they're eating food. So it can just all cook together. Now it's boiled. We are about to put our rice inside, and you can wash your rice. It's best, or if you don't want, you don't need to wash it. Do again what makes you feel comfortable. I like to wash mine, so I'm gonna put it inside and then just mix it up. The thing that I like about cooking jasmine that I like to do when I cook my jasmine, whether it's jollof rice or whether it's just me cooking jasmine on the pots without a rice cooker, I like to take some water out because it's better to be the water not enough because you can add water anytime then it's too much and the rice get overcooked. So I'll take some out because jasmine sometimes cooking it in the pot it's hard to cook, and I'm just gonna mix it up. And every time I'm cooking jollof, especially with jasmine, I make sure I come check it every 5 minutes or every 2 minutes because sometimes it gets to sit under. Like right now that I'm about to check it, you guys about to see, say it sits under, and you don't want some of it not to cook, and everything just sits on there relaxing, like they don't have no business on coming on top to cook. But you're gonna come and mix it up every time, every 2 minutes, every 3 minutes, mix it up just like that. And after that, close the lid again. You come back again every 2 to 3 minutes to check on it so it doesn't burn before it starts even cooking. Yeah. When I cooked this jollof, it was really, really nice. I cooked it for my customers. And yes, I do sell. If you don't know, if you live in Gettysburg area, Montgomery area, I do cook. So holla at me, okay? And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel and this is your first time watching my video, please do so right now if you like my content. And make sure don't forget to follow me too on TikTok, on Instagram, just about every social media. I really appreciate it. Yeah, but just keep on mixing it like that, and yeah, so it can cook. As you guys can see, the water is about to get dried. So we're gonna do the next step soon, very soon, very very soon. So now we are about to check it again and make sure it's almost done. Mix it up again, and after that, I'm gonna put a bag over it and let it just cook. So the next thing we're about to do is we're about to put our bell pepper on top of it and just let it to cook a little bit. I like to do this. You don't need to do it, you know. I just like to do it. This is just how I like to do mine. And after that, I put some bag over it. And if you have foil or whatever thing that make you feel safe for it to trap the heat under, so every place can cook, you can do that and close the lid. And now we are back. I'm about to show you guys how it looks, and I'm gonna mix it up. As you guys can see, some of the onions and the bell pepper is not all the way cooked but started to cook. But that's why I'm about to mix everything up and make sure we leave the stove on a low heat. Yeah, we're gonna leave it up on a low heat so it can just steam really nicely. And sometimes the bell pepper and the onion, since you know they have water a little bit, it's gonna help the rice to cook well done. Yeah, it's almost cooked though, to be honest, but it's gonna make it well done. I know you guys can see some eyes on the eye because that's how Australian and say if your rice have eyes, that means if it's not done cooking, then you gotta leave it more or sprinkle some water on top of it so it can cook. And that's what I'm about to do. Gonna just mix it up with the onion. Do you see how the bell pepper and onions giving it nice color? It's giving it some beautiful color. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so right now. And don't forget to put the thumbs up. Don't forget to share to your friends and family. Yeah, and to people that you think that they can cook. Do you guys see how the jollof is looking? Oh my god, my stomach is crying. Like I want that. But anyway, guys, after this, you just close the lid on the low heat for like 5 minutes and it's done. See how it look? Looks so good. I just put my gravy on top of it, and yeah, I sell. I sell some food, okay? So I do catering, I do personal order, so hit me up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until later, bye bye.